Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Start by holding your device's display. Then click on Home Settings at the bottom right corner. Following that, click on Rounded Corners and Size of Icons, and swipe left or right on Icon Size slider in order to adjust them. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!